Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Airtable API. The Airtable API is a powerful tool that lets external systems connect with your base data. It operates using REST principles, meaning it uses JSON to structure data and standard HTTP codes for outcomes. With this API, you can perform 4 core actions: create new records, read existing ones, update information, and even delete entries. What's really neat is that Airtable generates personalized documentation for each of your bases, making it super easy to get started. To begin using the Airtable API, you'll need to handle authentication. Airtable employs token-based authentication to keep your requests secure. You have 2 main options: personal access tokens, which provide fine-grained control over specific bases and workspaces, and OAuth access tokens, ideal for building integrations for other users. For personal development, simply generate a personal access token from your Airtable account settings. Remember to keep this token confidential, as it grants access to your data. Now, let's talk about making those API requests. Every request must be sent over HTTPS for security. The core URL structure starts with https://API, Airtable.com/v0/, then you add your unique base ID and the specific table name you wish to interact with. For authentication, you'll include your personal access token within the HTTP authorization header, formatted as bearer token. You can use various endpoints to list all records, retrieve a single record, or perform actions like creating, updating, or deleting entries. Once you send a request, Airtable's API will typically return a response in JSON format, containing your requested data or confirmation of an action. It's important to be aware of rate limits. Airtable generally allows up to 5 requests per second per base. If you exceed this, you'll receive a 429 status code, indicating too many requests. To build robust integrations, implement error handling and consider strategies like caching data or utilizing Airtable's official client libraries to manage requests efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.